We have the Sizzler Deluxe 2 high lid here today, as well as its bigger brother, the Max. Now the Deluxe 2 can come in either a full plate, a half plate, half grill, or a full grill, depending on your preferences. The full plate is a bit easier to clean. It does have a nice channel tube that drains straight into the drip tray at the bottom here, so tidy up's a bit better. Size-wise, it's about 10 centimeters bigger on the Max. Heat output's exactly the same on these two units. They are both 20,000 BTUs, so they very much punch above their weight when it comes to the heat output. Everything's made out of stainless steel, so your durability is exceptional, including a deceptively heavy hot plate. In saying that, the units aren't too cumbersome. You're looking at 11 kilos for the Sizzler Deluxe 2 and 14 kilos for the Max. They are designed specifically for the vast majority of tunnel boots. So these clock in at about 310 mil in height. That's either with the little feet attached or mounted to a slide, just to accommodate the vast majority of caravans out there. So the Sizzler Max is the same width and height of the Sizzler Deluxe 2. It is, however, 10 centimeters deeper from front to back, giving you that extra cooking space. Both Sizzlers, irrespective of size or grill or plate format, are all certified to be used with your bayonet fitting in your caravan, meaning they do have flame failure devices.